morning, everybody. Today is part 4. It should have been last Friday, but COVID also still plays a role in Kuala Lumpur, so we have to shoot it today, Tuesday. So we're going to make 2 videos this week. Part 4 is about hydrogen. What is hydrogen? Hydrogen is basically normal water. Normal water that I can drink. Like this. Hydrogen is not something new. It's been here 113 years. A part of it is Danish. So, yeah. I saw it the first time when I was in the 9th grade. And this science teacher, he put electricity into water and he captured the hydrogen into a balloon and then he burst it. And everybody was like, wow, do it again, do it again. And I still remember Mr. Sippe, he said, one day this is gonna be the fuel for the future. And everybody was like, huh? What are you talking about? We were 14 years old, so never mind. When we started to do this hydrogen, I did a lot of research, and we consulted many things. But this Mr. Sippe still came to my mind. So I actually called the school where I went. It's a private school, so I called them. And I said, can I speak with the science teacher Sippe? And this lady said, Mr. Henrik, how old were you when you actually went here? And I said, I started when I was 12, I finished when I was 16. And she said, how old was he? And I said, he was around 50. And then the answer was there. He's no longer among us. And she wanted to know why I wanted to contact him. I said, because right now we're doing hydrogen. And he was correct. Hydrogen is something for the future. So a little bit about the hydrogen. Our cells, this is one of our cells. This is the smallest, the largest is nearly 1 meter with a diameter of 50 centimeters. Hydrogen, basically, like we do it, we put electricity through this one. It means that we put an anode and a cathode, and then we separate the air, the oxygen, from the water. So out comes a gas, and this gas we collect. When we collect the gas, we collect it in normal tanks, a holding tank, like you can see in the background. And this holding tank, we then attract it to a compressor, you can also see in the background. By doing that, it means that we need a lot of hydrogen to make fuel. So this is why that we are having holding tanks and compressed tanks. We store the hydrogen today at 350 bar and in cylinders of 50 liter. It means that basically it's not that much because we need nearly 12,000 liter of hydrogen just for 1 liter of liquid hydrogen. So it takes a lot to do this. One of the things about hydrogen is that it is 100% clean. Basically, I can drink hydrogen like I drink the water because it just comes out exactly like this. So basically I can drink it. I tried, I'm still alive, but it's not something I would do every day. But the hydrogen can be used directly as liquid, or it can be mixed together with, for instance, ammonia, or like we do with CO2, so it becomes methanol. I hope this opened a little bit the doors for the future of what hydrogen is and how it is made. Remember, to make green hydrogen, the electricity, the anode and the cathode, need to come from a green power source. It doesn't help that you take it from the grid, because the grid is a coal power plant. So then the hydrogen is not green. It has to come from a renewable setup. When it comes from this renewable setup and directly into our system, then it is green hydrogen. Stay tuned, and the next one I will explain how we're going to mix this one with CO2 that we capture, and then we make it into methanol. Thank you and have a nice day.